everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about B series paper sizes. In this video, I will be explaining all about the B series paper sizes, and I'll be going over the dimensions and telling you exactly how they work and how they relate to one another. Let's get right into the video. This paper right here is going to represent the biggest B series paper, which is B0. Now, once again, this is not the actual size of a B0 paper. A B0 paper is much bigger than this, but it's going to represent a B0 paper. Now, a B0 paper is 39.4 inches by 55.7 inches. That's a B0. So imagine that right here. Now, a B1 is the first step, which is half of the B0. So a B1 is exactly half of the B0. So this is going to represent a B1, okay? And the B1, as you can see, shares this dimension with the B0, okay? The dimension across it shares, but this dimension is half, just to be clear. Now your B1 is 27.8 inches by 39.4 inches. And the 39.4 inches is the measurement that they both share. And this continues on to B2. So for a B2, it is half of the size of a B1. So it's like that, if you can imagine it. And a B2 is 19.7 inches by 27.8 inches. 27.8 inches is the number, the size that these both share, B1 and B2. Okay, so all of the progressive B series paper sizes share one dimension, and then the other dimension is cut in half. Basically, that's how it works. So I'm not going to go over all of the sizes because you can find them online, but I'll keep explaining. If your B2, then your B3 is going to be half B3. Okay, once again, your B3 shares this dimension with the B2, but this dimension is half. Okay, then you got your B4, which is half of that. Okay, no pun intended, B4. I'll tell you that before the end of the video. Anyways, then you got your B5, which is half of that. Okay, once again, that is a 5, just to be clear, a 5. And then you have your B6, half of that. B7, half of that. B8, half of that. B9, half of that. And then you go all the way up to your B10, which is a tiny piece of paper that runs 1.2 inches by 1.7 inches. That is your B10. Very, very small piece of paper. And obviously, I could draw it. If this was actually a B0, it would be much bigger. But because I started off with a smaller paper that just represented B0, it's hard for me to draw it on there because I'm getting pretty small over there. But it goes all the way up to B10. Just from B0 to B10 is continually cutting in half in different directions. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.